Dr. Arroway, you come to us with no records, no artifacts, and a story, to put it mildly, strange credibility. Trillions of dollars have been spent, dozens of lives have been lost. Are you going to sit there and expect us to take this all in on faith?
Is it possible that it didn't happen? Yes. As a scientist, I must concede that. I must volunteer that.
Wait a minute. You admit that you have absolutely no physical evidence to back up your story?
Yes.
You admit that you very well may have hallucinated this whole thing?
Yes.
You admit that if you were in our position, you would respond with the exact same degree of incredulity and skepticism?
Yes.
Then why don't you simply withdraw your testimony and concede that this journey to the center of the galaxy, in fact, never took place?
Because I can't. I had an experience. I can't prove it. I can't even explain it. But everything that I know as a human being, everything that I am tells me that it was real. I was given something wonderful. Something that changed me forever. A vision of the universe that tells us undeniably how tiny and insignificant, but how rare and precious we all are. A vision of the universe that tells us that we belong to something greater than ourselves. And we are not. And none of us are alone. I wish that I could share it. I wish that everybody, if only for a moment, could feel that sense of awe and humility and hope. But that continues to be my wish. I'm sick.
Do you have a cough due to cold?
I have some kind of virus, and the doctors, they don't know what it is, and there isn't anything they can do about it.
If you're sick, Jenny, you can come stay with me. You and Little Fast can come stay with me in Greenbow. I'll take care of you if you're sick.
Would you marry me, Forrest?
Okay.
Hey, Forrest. Were you scared in Vietnam?
Yes. Well, I don't know. Sometimes the rain would stop long enough for the stars to come out. That was nice. It was like just before when the sun went to bed on the bayou. There was over a million sparkles on the water. And that mountain lake, it was so clear, Jenny. It was like two skies, one on top of the other. And in the morning when the sun would come up in the desert, you didn't know where the heavens stopped and the earth began. It was so beautiful.
I wish I could have been there with you.
You were.
I love you, Forrest. If I leave here tomorrow, will you still remember me?
died on a Saturday morning, I had you placed here under our tree. Mama always said that dying was a part of life. I sure wish it wasn't. I don't know if Mama was right or if it was Lieutenant Dan. I don't know if we each have a destiny or if we're all floating around accidental like on a breeze, but I think maybe it's both. I think maybe both is happening at the same time. I miss you, Jenny. And if you ever need anything, I won't be far away.